In today's video, we're unboxing and reviewing the KZ EDX Pro Earphones, a budget-friendly in-ear monitor that's making a lot of noise in the hi-fi and DJ community. As soon as we open the box, the KZ EDX Pro gives off a clean, minimal, and professional vibe. Inside, you'll find the earphones themselves, a detachable 2-pin cable, and the accessories you need to get started. The transparent and stylish shell design instantly stands out, giving you that premium IEM look even at an affordable price point. Now let's talk about what really matters, the sound. The KZ EDX Pro is powered by a 10mm dual magnetic circuit dynamic driver designed to deliver powerful bass, clear mids, and crisp highs. With a wide frequency response of 10 Hz to 20 kHz, these earphones handle everything from deep bass beats to detailed vocals with impressive balance. Whether you're listening to music, gaming, monitoring audio, or DJ mixing, the sound separation is clean and immersive. With 24 ohms impedance and 112 dB sensitivity, the EDX Pro is easy to drive, meaning you can enjoy great sound directly from your phone, laptop, or audio interface without needing an external amplifier. The passive noise isolation design helps block out surrounding noise, making it ideal for daily use, workouts, or focused listening sessions. Comfort is another big win here. The ergonomic in-ear design sits securely and comfortably even during long listening sessions. The detachable 2-pin 0.75mm cable is a huge plus, allowing you to upgrade or replace the cable anytime, including choosing a mic version if needed. Overall, the KZ EDX Pro is an excellent choice if you're looking for affordable hi-fi sound, strong bass with clean vocals, a stylish, durable IEM design, upgradable cable support. If you're a beginner audiophile, content creator, gamer, or music lover on a budget, this earphone definitely deserves a spot on your list. If you enjoyed this unboxing and review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Caring Guy, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our future tech and audio reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.